Greenhouses can be up to 15 times more productive than field conditions. Careful monitoring and proper maintenance techniques allow for off-season year-round production. It takes a lot of energy to keep a stable environment inside the greenhouses. Meet a team of Romanian researchers that test the use of heat pumps to enhance food production. Their study is aimed at developing the proper technology to store the summer heat and use it in the cold season. This cost-effective technology will help farmers to spread production year-round. Find out why the future of food production is inside glasshouses.
How does your project contribute to the development of agriculture in Romania and Europe?
We hope that this project will will have a great contribution to the development of agriculture in Romania, especially in the greenhouses domain, because for the moment we have a proof of concept by integrating the heat pumps into the management of the energy and into the management of the new technologies in this research greenhouse. In Europe, our partner from Norway has already developed such greenhouse in their country. So for us was a great idea and also a great opportunity to implement this concept in our greenhouses.
What unique contributions does your project introduce?
With the help of Norway Grants, we implement a great project that it's situated here in our greenhouse. It's a research greenhouse, and basically we have 3 compartments where we integrated the heat pumps, and with the help of boreholes and dry cooler, we chilled and cold and heat the water with the heat exchangers, and we create a great temperature, humidity and level of CO2 for increasing productivity of tomatoes plants. Basically the impact of the project is quite big, because it's quite complicated to maintain this factor all the year constant, and with this project we receive great discovery regarding the maintaining of these parameters. All the companies that are having greenhouses in Romania, they need to implement this kind of technology in their greenhouses.
What are the next steps in your project?
For sure, the next steps we want to develop for all our surface of the greenhouse, because first when we wrote the project, we wrote only for 160 square meters compartment, but we made to have basically in 3 compartments, and we need to have from all the greenhouse this technology, and further on we want to be more efficient energy in the future, because we want to implement solar panels. Basically the heat pumps are sucking energy. It's quite nice that the consumption is not that big, but with solar panels we can be a greenhouse to don't consume any gas or electricity.
Working with a diverse team and collaborating internationally with esteemed institutions like SINTEF and GETER, what advantages or benefits does this partnership bring to your project and your team?
It was a great opportunity to work with SINTEF and with GETER IS. Basically, the idea started from SINTEF Energy with this prototype that we have here. The technology, it's new in Romania regarding heat pumps, but the idea with the project starts with the SINTEF and with application from GETER IS. We work basically half a year to have all the data to project the system. And the new technology, it's related to the air handling units, where the water it's coming and the air it's spread under the gutters, and we have a mix of humidity, temperature, and CO2 spread in the compartment to have the same parameter all over the year. In the near future, we will maintain the collaboration with Getter and Sintef, because we want to develop more projects together. We visit Norway, we visit Trondheim, we visit Oslo to see the technology that they have there. And the same, the partners come a lot here and has a lot of contribution to develop what you saw today here.
I'm Sigurd Sannen. I'm a research scientist from Sintef Energy Research in Norway, and I will speak about the project ClimaGreen that we've been having here with the university, USAMV, and also with Getter, another small company in Norway. So ClimaGreen, it's about energy efficient climate control over greenhouse for increased productivity. And this project has been going on now for almost 3 years. We are closing the end. And so we started in January 2021. And it's been a good, very good project. And we've been going through a phase of planning, designing the system that we have now installed here at premises in the greenhouse. And this system consists of 3 heat pumps that are connected to boreholes that have been drilled here. Earlier this year, there were 15 boreholes, 110 meters deep, that will take care of thermal energy storage over the year, over the season.
What is the social impact of your project?
The social impact of the project, actually, it's very diverse, because we can look at aspects that are related to education, to research and innovation, but also to food security, also job creation. So there are many, many aspects that this kind of project can have on the local communities, and also at, let's say, at an expanded level. Only if we speak about food security, because we are in a greenhouse, so we produce food, we can think about that this kind of installation that provide very good energy efficiency will impact the quality. I'm speaking like this because I'm working in plant protection, so it will impact the quality of the vegetables. We use less pesticides, because in this kind of controlled climate, so we can use also beneficials, we can use the bumblebees. And if we consider that in this kind of greenhouses in our area, in the summer we cannot have production, but with this kind of heating pumps, we can grant the production all over the year. We can use different varieties that are also more adapted for this kind of conditions. Another aspect that can be very important is that this greenhouse can actually become a living lab, because we are a research greenhouse, and here we actually demonstrate how this heating pump can help the producer, the local producer, also in an urban areas, but also in the rural areas.
All the things all the nice things that happen in this project, all the research and paper research that we wrote are basically great opportunities to find there all the things that we discover here regarding the efficiency of the heat pumps, the productivity of the cherry tomatoes that we have in our greenhouse, and the stakeholders already came and saw these things, because we had open days, demo days, workshop, and they were interested in the near future to invest in this type of technology.
What would you like people to remember about your project?
We are an institution that it's related to learn the students, and a lot of students are coming here and they see this technology. Not a lot of them, but few of them are already have plastic tunnels or greenhouse, and they see this technology, and they will implement, and they know how to implement this type of technology, and the impact it's quite big, because the feedback from all the people it's great, and basically this is the new future.
Thank you for watching Research in the Spotlight, a podcast for scientists and passionate science people made under the Norway Grants Research Programme by the Executive Agency for Higher Education, Research, Development and Innovation Funding as program operator. Until the next time, like and share this episode if you think science is a key to a better future.